During COVID, it was a very difficult time for me because I am a goer. I like to be out. And since I couldn't get out, I started turning my attention towards my yard to garden. I didn't know that I would even like gardening, but it became a real way for me to stay calm and focused and enjoy the day. So I would spend the first 2 more hours of the morning gardening. Even though I was over 70 at this time, I was used to going to the gym at least 3 times a week. So not being able to go to the gym, I wanted to use my muscles and keep myself as physically fit as I could. So I began to move all the plants and pots and everything around in the yard, the bricks and everything, to formulate a garden for myself. So my husband became concerned for my health, and rightly so. So he decided to have the yard landscaped. But before he could do that, he needed to put a fence in across the back and down the south side of the yard. So he himself put in a privacy fence for us. That took a bit of time, but he did an excellent job. And then we were ready to call Jimenez Concrete to put in the cinder block wall for us. And they came out, and within a week, they were done with the entire wall. So once Jimenez Concrete was finished, the landscapers came in, and they were referred through Schubert Landscaping. So if you wanted to get in contact with someone to do landscaping, that would be the people. And they did an excellent job. By the time we came back from vacation, we were able to move into our beautiful backyard, and I moved into my garden. And it was a challenge that first year. I hope you've enjoyed our transformation. Please give me a like if you did. And please follow me to see how my little garden grows over the next 4 years.